So today we'll be solving an integration question. So the question given is integrate ln x over 4 plus x squared to the power of 3 over 2 dx. So to solve this question, we have to use the by-part method. So before we reach the by-part methods, we have a few steps to be solved. So first thing first, we have to let u equals to ln x. So and then in the end you'll get the value of du, which is 1 over x dx. And then our dv is 1 over 4 plus x squared to the power of 3 over 2 dx. And then this is our v value, which is the same thing. And then now to solve this one, to integrate this one, we have to use the trigonometry method, which is, these are the list of trigonometries. Those formulas are, you have to memorize the formula. So for this one, it is the closest to this one. So, but the integer have to be in negative. So we just switch the power equals to negative 3 over 2. And then for this one, you have to use this method, which is our a square is 4 and our a is 2, and then our x is this one, a tangent theta, our a is 2, and then by this one you have to split into 2, which is we got the theta, tangent theta equals to x over 2, and then dx over theta d theta equals to 2 second square theta. And then this one you substitute into the equation, and then this is just you simplify the equation, put it up there. Okay. Then for this one, you just simplify the equation. You factorize and everything, and then now this one up until just potong, and then you get 1 over second theta. So for this one, you simplify it and you got 1 over sine theta. So the answer is in theta terms. Back to the original question, it is in x form. So we have to change it into x. So how do we change it into x? We use the triangle of Trigo. So you already know that tangent theta is x over 2. So adjacent, opposite over adjacent, opposite over adjacent, and then this is the hypotenuse. So this one is in sine theta. So you already know sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, which is x over this one, hypotenuse. You take the sine theta and put it back into the equation, and this is what you will get. And then now we have all the values of u, du, dv, and v, and now we can proceed to put it into the formula of by-parts method. So now we take all the value and put it into the formula, and then you potong, and then up to this part you have to integrate this equation. To integrate this equation, we have to use the trigonometry method again, which is the one that we showed earlier with the trigo list. Coincidentally, this one is same with the previous one, which is you have to use the second identity and the second formula, and then use the second formula, and the integer is negative. Okay, you simplify the equation, and then at last you will get integrate second theta d theta. So using trigonometry identity, you can integrate second theta d theta equals into ln modulus second theta plus tangent theta, and then you take this equation, you put it back into the equation, which is, this is what you will get, and then you simplify the equation. Second theta equals to 1 over cos theta, and then now for the same problem, the answer is in theta form. We have to change it back into the term of x, so we use the triangle again, which is the opposite adjacent hypotenuse triangle. Then apa pun boleh do? Ni x lah.
Okay, sir.
X2. So your cos theta is equals to this one. So as you get in the liquid, and then this is the final answer.
That's all.